Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and let's just get right to it. You can see that this is an AliExpress haul, and you can see by the title. I am expecting, oh no, they spilled out. Oh dear, I have to check that good. But for right now, I got another chess piece, the Bishop. Those are actually really cute. Can
This
you?
look like queens.
Does it?
Or kings, I mean.
With a cross at the top?
Yeah.
Okay, I figured that would be the Bishop. Okay, well, at any rate,
I'm not sure, but
another chess piece. What do we have here? Oh, I bet these are silicone wig holders. But I have to tell you, my husband is a star. And at the recent puddle, he found, oh yeah, see, I love these for my smart dolls and 1/3 dolls. Put that under the wig and it won't slide, the wig won't slide around as bad. And I bought a few of these. Anyway, Darren found a wig and silicone wig holders. What were there, 9 in that package you found?
I think that's what you said, yeah.
Yeah, so I am set for a while, although I keep buying more smart dolls.
At the free table.
At the free table, Darren found those. And, man, you found a lot there, actually. I was off visiting. And here's another silicone. I like these. I like them a lot. All right, it says 10 pieces. See, that's just cut in half. The bottom part is completely missing. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Okay. And then these are different. Let's get these out and look at them. Well, I can see how it happened. But
You're missing one of the Alice
am
C9
I?
there.
All right. Well, I'll have to dig around for that when we're done. I'm not going to hold things up, and it might fall out of something too. Well, come on. Let's open this. All right. These are rooks. Aren't those cute?
Castles.
Yeah, rooks. Aren't those rooks?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think so. You know what?
It's been so long since I've played chess. I can't even... We used to play all the time, my brother and I. All right, let me carefully move that over. And here's the bottom half for that's just aggravating. All right, moving on. Sorry I'm slow today. Well, I can't get this open. I'm trying to be careful not to tear stuff up on the inside. What the heck is this? Oh, Velcro. Okay, I bought some Velcro to see about it. And where's the other half? Okay, there it is. And I can cut that in 1/3 for the back of skirts for the smart dolls. I like the skirts to have Velcro all the way up and down the back. I like it because I think the skirt lays flatter and it's so easy to put them on. You can put them on while the doll is in the stand. I like that very much. You don't have to... Oh, okay. I thought these were smart doll size. I bought them in Blythe size, but they're cute. This I got on the front page of AliExpress. If you go there, the very front page of AliExpress often has ridiculously... Oh, look at that. There's more inside. A couple of T-shirts. Wish one was black. I need a black one. These T-shirts will be a little big on a regular smart doll, and I think they fit a pair, but they can be, depending on the T-shirt itself, they can be a little small. All right, this is cool. What you're thinking is this is for Katie, my Yorkshire Terrier, but the truth is, that's for my smart doll. Oh, it's got a shield over the front too. Very cool. I'll show you that in a minute. I did see someone with that at Puddle. They had a smart doll in it. They had a pink one. I ordered black just because I didn't know what I would be using it for if it didn't work for the dolls. So I got a black one. Anyway, I started to say, I got this for like, well, it was less than $8 on the front page. Wasn't it like $7.68 or something? Yeah, it was cheaper than $8. Oh, no.
And it's got little breathe holes.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
gun ports or something.
There
I
you
don't know.
go.
Defend the castle.
Look at my little Mitty. Oh, she was on sale for less than, oh gosh, less than $12, I think. And I have another, if not two more Blythes coming. I got this one because I love this hair in the full-size girl. Oh gosh, she's so pretty. Oh, and look how nice it is. It's not all chopped up like the full-size Neos. If you don't know, the Mitty Blythe eyes have a dial in the back that make the eyes go back and forth. Oh, how cute. She's darling. All right. And she came with a little outfit, which honest to God, I didn't know she was coming with two, actually, and some hands and shoes. Wow. This was less than $12. It too was on the front page. I'm going to set her in here for right now, and I'll take care of it after. She was on the front page of AliExpress, one of those sales they run. And they usually show you things that you like. Oh, good. I ordered some stuff. Well, look at everything's broken open. All right, everything. Oh, yay. I need this for today. I got some T-shirts for my smart dolls and to share. Oh, won't that be cute on a vampire? Oh, and I got white. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll have to count these up. These have a purpose, mostly for me. Very cool. And I love these little rat tail combs. I'll pick that up in a minute. I got a few more because I like them. Let's just push them to the side and keep going here. I got a free doll I can't wait to open here in a minute. Yeah, honestly, a free doll when you break down the cost of everything. This is not it. She's coming up.
By Marna Math, free doll.
Marna Math, yeah. Oh, cool. Okay. I'm looking for my piece and all the other. I used to wear all the time gold and silver, what are they called? Serpentine necklaces. And they had some sterling silver plated 18-inch on the front page of AliExpress for a good price, and I bought them. Oh, look how cute that'll be. Oh, that's cute. Okay, and then I got a shirt for me. You'll see this because I need them badly. I need them for BlytheCon, and I need them for YouTube. Oh, this is cute. I bought this for my Pear Smart Doll. It is an 18-inch size. How does it open? And I already bought her another one that has a flamingo on it. And I know they fit. They look pretty cute. For the money, they're adorable. Oh, look at that. She got something for her hair. Okay, that's cute. That's really cute. I'm very happy with that. All right, let's get to the free doll. I was looking at a dress on AliExpress for my smart dolls. And it was, what was the dress? 14 and a half, like 14.44 or something to that effect. And I hadn't put it, I hadn't bought it yet. Let me double check this bag. I hadn't bought it yet. And I'm always looking at wigs and shoes. So before I bought it, this doll came up wearing the dress with a wig and shoes for, I think she was less than $30. So there you go. I got a free, I want to tear this up. I got a free doll with the dress. Well, she's cute. Well, she is really cute. She's shorter though, isn't she? Well, let's get everything out. All right, look at this little dress. How cute is this dress? Oh, I just ordered these very boots not an hour ago, but that's okay. I could use 2 pair. Look at this little dress for dolls gone goth. Oh, or just to wear. And it has this little headpiece to go with it. I think that's a real good deal at $14.50, and it's got a zipper in the back. Oh gosh, that is adorable, and more ribbon, I guess, for the dress. And then I can tell you how much these boots are: $5.62 or $5.96, depending on the seller you go to. Okay, these are the 4 eyelet. There's another one with 5. The one with 5 has more of a desert boot or a hiking boot heel. I like these. And look, you get it all set up and there's a zipper in the back. So those 2, that would have been $20. And then you know wigs are about, well, actually they're getting to where they're over $10. So I thought, why not get that all? She got a human hairnet. Oh, she's a pretty little thing. She seems short. She seems short, but she's cute. She is cute. And the wig, she can keep it. She can keep this one. I am maybe for a picture. Look, her ears are pierced. So there you go. I got a pretty girl with pierced ears because I bought a dress and boots. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Hang on a minute and I'll put a doll inside the dog carrier. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. You could say it's a little tight, but you know what? She doesn't rattle around, so it's kind of good. Isn't she adorable? But yeah, and she can breathe in. Actually, if the humidity's bad, you can carry it like this too. If the humidity's bad, it won't back up in there. Let's just say that. So while I was looking for the lost charm, going through every bag I tossed on the floor, I found this. Oh, let's take a look at these. These are little charms to make necklaces with. It's cute. It's not top notch, but it's cute. I like them.